Venice and we're going to Morocco. This is how the square became alive. Marrakech. Essaouira area.
Incredible, man. Crazy Marrakech. Crazy night for crazy guys.
On the top of the sand, check the sunset, sleeping on the tent, wake up early for the sunrise, and then come back for the breakfast. Okay, we just landed in Marrakech and we realized that our car is not available anymore. We took a taxi now, go to the center and we have to change our plan. We just stop here and they gives us the opportunity to buy the local products like a bunch of oil or other stuff like that. A couple of years ago when I came to Morocco, I completely skipped one of the most famous cities on the Atlantic coast, Essaouira. In 1765, Sidi Mohammed Ben Abdullah, the royal king, decided to ask to a French designer to redesign the city in order to improve the international trading with other countries. And that's how it looks like today. Morocco is also famous because
they are strange hybrid between monkeys and
sheep. Yeah, actually the sheep.
You see that? Like a modern Spider-Man.
We are completely stuck in the middle of the desert because it's raining like crazy and there is a river that really blocks the road, you know? So no one is going. And the last stop of our trip is Lisbon.
I don't wanna go losing you, baby. Have anyone around me except you, baby. Yeah, you. Just give me the day, give me the night. Show me some love, make you feel alright. I said I'm losing South Seas, my baby next to me, cruising South Seas, my baby next to me.
Okay, first impression about the square, the morning light in the square of Marrakech.